Meghan Markle's life, from Hollywood star to British royal, has never been short of drama. But this time, the family divide has been pushed to the extreme when her half-sister, Samantha Markle, decided to revive a defamation lawsuit in a Florida court. Not only did Samantha stop at old accusations, she also dragged their father, Thomas Markle, into this legal battle, intending to clear up what she considered defamation from Meghan. Meghan's statement, "I grew up as an only child," in an interview with Oprah Winfrey, became the center of the controversy, plunging the Markle family into a battle not only about the law, but also about reputation and truth. Is this Samantha's attempt to get justice, or just a ploy to grab attention? Samantha Markle, 60, has been suing Meghan since 2022, accusing her sister of deliberately defaming her through statements in a 2021 interview with Oprah and information in her book, Finding Freedom. According to Samantha, Meghan's statement that she grew up as an only child not only denied the relationship between the two sisters, but also made her appear to the public as an opportunist and a fame-seeking liar. Samantha claims that these statements had serious consequences. She was harassed online, received death threats, and was even labeled a dangerous person in a false report in the UK, forcing her to ask Scotland Yard to confirm that she was not on the obsessed list. She described her life as a nightmare, unable to go out without being scrutinized, and claimed that Meghan, with her powerful PR team and multi-million-dollar contracts, had deliberately created a rags-to-royal narrative to erase her family's role. Thomas Markle, the father of Meghan and Samantha, further inflamed the situation by saying he was willing to testify in court, despite his poor health after a stroke. From the Philippines, Thomas is said to feel betrayed by Meghan's denial of his role in her life. Samantha stressed that Thomas paid for Meghan's dance, acting, and tuition classes and supported her career, but was now being portrayed as a bad father. She accused Meghan of using a sophisticated PR strategy, letting others do the dirty work while keeping her own image clean. Names like Jessica Mulroney, Meghan's former best friend, and Trevor Engelson, her ex-husband, were mentioned by Samantha as evidence of Meghan's willingness to cut ties with anyone who no longer had value to her. As for Meghan, she is working to rebuild her image with projects like the second season of With Love, Meghan on Netflix and a self-funded reality web series. However, Samantha's lawsuit is a thorn in her side, preventing her from escaping her past. Meghan's legal team argued that her statements were only her personal opinions, could not be considered defamatory, and that she was not responsible for the content of Finding Freedom because she was not the author. However, Meghan's silence on the allegations and reliance on cease and desist letters from her lawyers only added to public suspicion. Samantha, supported by veteran lawyer Peter Tickton, claimed that she had clear evidence and was ready to face it in court. She insists that the goal is not money or fame, but to restore her honor and repair the damage she believes Meghan has caused. This battle is not just a family dispute, but also touches the public aspect. On social media, especially X, Meghan has faced a wave of criticism and ridicule, while Samantha is seen as obsessed with her sister. However, some opinions have begun to question whether Meghan has actually built her image by smearing her family. The lawsuit, scheduled for September 9 in Jacksonville, Florida, could become a turning point, forcing both sides to face the truth under a legal lens. The defamation lawsuit between Samantha and Meghan Markle is not just a legal battle but also a fight for control of the narrative. Samantha seeks to restore her honor, asserting that she is the victim of a ruthless PR campaign, while Meghan tries to protect the image she has built over the years. With Thomas Markle involved and Samantha claiming to have evidence, this battle promises to be dramatic. Whatever the outcome, it has exposed deep rifts in the Markle family and begs the question, will the truth come out, or is this just another chapter in Meghan's never-ending drama? Only time and the courtroom will tell.